Okay, me again. Part 2. For some reason, my video just stopped recording, and it did this to me once before, and it was at 33 minutes and 10 seconds. So I don't know what's going on, but for some reason, my phone is only recording at 33 minutes and 10 seconds. So hopefully, I have enough battery power and room on my phone to do a little bit more, to at least finish this page. Okay, so what I'm going to do... I'm just doing the ears. It's not going to be stuck down very much. I need to get some pictures on here. Okay, so I'm just cutting little pieces. And I'm going to stick one right there. And one right here. And I think that's all that's going to stick. Just to hold it in place, these two little ones. Because everything else is overlapping the picture. Hopefully that'll just hold it until I'm ready. Stick it down. Okay. All right, so that works. It's just, gonna hold it in place. Once I get my pictures in there, then I can take all the extra stickies off and stick it down. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the finished page. And let's see if I can get these on camera together. There you have it. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And please check out my Etsy shop. There is a link below this video in the description. Just click on that link. It'll take you to my shop where you can pick up this kit as well as many other fun projects. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.